Hi guys, welcome back to Spot Area channel. Now I will give you tutorial how to read QR code with your Android phone easily for Android. And before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So don't miss off our videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And let's start it. If you want to search about the QR code using your Google Chrome, and I suggest you to see about the Google Chrome first. Click on the Google Chrome. And next step, if you want to scan about the QR code, you just to click the camera symbol here, and you can click on, and you can search with your camera. Okay, and your camera can be read about the QR code that you shoot for your camera. Click search. And now the QR code has the website, or you can to copy URL and you can share it. Okay, go to the website click on the website, and it's directly you to this website. Very simple way to do it. Okay, I think it's enough about the how to read QR code with your Android phone easily. And I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention, and bye.